10 best camera for YouTube in 2021. It seems like everyone has a YouTube channel these days. Experts all over the world are teaching people how to cook, do home repairs, and even put on a makeup from the comfort of their home. Whether you're shooting just for fun or you're aiming for YouTube glory, this is the gear you need to make your videos shine. In this roundup, I'm helping you to find the best vlogging camera. Number 1. DJI OM4. Whether iPhone or Android, using a smartphone to shoot footage for your vlog is probably the easiest vlogging camera option for the most people for recording and live streaming. The DJI's OM4 delivers on the stabilization using the same tech you'll find on its camera drones. This is the same compact, lightweight folding design for easy travel as the prior model. It has the same controls, making one-handed use a breeze, and it still has a battery for up to 15 hours of use. What's new is how you mount your phone. Number 2. Logitech Stream Cam. One of our top picks for vlogging is the Logitech Stream Cam because it is purpose-built for streaming up to 180p at 60 fps, and it's designed to be mounted horizontally or vertically. If you want 4K streaming at 30 fps in addition to Full HD at 60 fps, go with the Logitech Brio 4K. The Full HD glass lens and premium autofocus delivers razor-sharp, clear video in consistent high definition, while two built-in mic capture your voice in rich stereo audio. Web camera specifically designed and optimized for professional quality video streaming on social gaming and entertainment sites like Twitch and YouTube. Number 3. GoPro Hero 9. From its small waterproof design to its incredible image stabilization to its excellent video quality, the Hero 9 Black is one of the most versatile camera you can get for creating YouTube vlogging gold. You can use the GoPro Hero Black as a studio camera, but it's really made to be used on the move. Adding to the argument in its favor are the mods designed to make the Hero 9 Black even more vlogging friendly. Display and light modes can be slotted into the shoes to brighten your shots and lets you see yourself when you're in front of the camera. And if you want a live stream, you can do it through GoPro's mobile app. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix DMC GH5. The mirrorless digital camera might be shaped like a traditional SLR camera, but the GH5 was built for video. You will find all the features you need in a camera for vlogging and then some, regardless of your experience level, and it's all wrapped up in a splash, dust, and freeze-proof body. With a high-performance 20.3 megapixel digital live MOS sensor that is low-pass filterless, you can confidently capture super sharp image with a high dynamic range that are artifact-free. Record smooth 4K 60p by 50p video with excellent motion compensation, plus slow down footage inside your timeline without losing detail. 6K photo mode at 30 fps capture perfect moment at the 18 megapixel resolution. Number 5. GoPro Hero 8. This is Hero 8 Black, the most versatile, unshakable Hero media ever. A streamlined design makes it more pocketable than ever, and swiping mount takes just seconds. Thanks to built-in folding fingers, and with the option Media Mod, you get ultimate expandability to add more lighting, pro audio, and even other screen. Share while you're there. Live stream in 1080p on social, get hyper smooth stabilization at your broadcast via GoPro app, and save footage to your SD card. Vloggers, pro filmmakers, and aspiring creators can do more than ever imagined with the Hero 8 Black mods. Number 6. Canon EOS Rebel T6. Whether you want extremely good photos or are looking to make the best video recording, look on further than the Canon EOS Rebel T6 digital SLR camera for YouTube. This camera is excellent when it comes to making video for YouTube and has added bonus of being able to take professional quality pictures with it. Since most YouTubers can't afford a professional videographer, having a high quality camera like this will give you make pro level videos at any level. Number 7. Canon Powershot G7X Mark II. Canon again. The Canon Powershot G7X Mark II is another camera that has all good in addition to a compact smart design. Its compact design means that this camera is highly portable and you can take along with you on vacation, family trips, or wherever your YouTube channel takes you. This camera will have you covered thanks to its 1-inch CMOS sensor of 20.1 megapixel and DJI-7 processor. It is capable of capturing Ultra HD videos since it has 1080p and stereo sound. This camera surpasses its rivals with video recordings for YouTube. Number 8. Sony A7C. The Sony A7C is one of the smallest full-frame camera you can buy, and it manages the impressive feat of including 5-axis image stabilization in its small frame. Featuring 24.2 megapixel to 4K movie tree, flip-out LCD, and 5-axis in-body image stabilization. That's a necessary feature for handheld video, and it delivers strong 4K footage at 8-bit quality and is compatible with a huge library of Sony E-mount lenses, ideal for vlogging and is easy composition. The Alpha 7C features a 3 inches 921K touch-sensitive LCD panel with side-opening vari-angle mechanism for monitoring positioning freedom. Number 9. Fujifilm XT4. The Fujifilm XT4 is packed with the gills with imaging features, but it's also the best camera the company has ever made. It supports 4K capture at 10-bit quality, offers a flat profile for color grading, and 5-axis imaging stabilization for smoother handheld footage. Support for external microphones is there, and you can connect headphones via USB-C for monitoring. If you don't want to grade your own video, in-camera profiles are vast and offer look screening from bleach bypass to black and white. Number 10. DJI Osmo Action. The DJI Osmo Action is the name implies a small action camera. It competes directly against the GoPro Hero 8 Black in the market. And while we named the GoPro as our top picks for action camera in general, the Osmo is a final alternative for vloggers. Its built-in front LCD lets you keep an eye on your shot when pointing the lenses in your direction, and the Osmo supports external mics and lens filters. Video quality is strong in 4K with digital stabilization and HDR to handle tricky lighting situations.